Barbie Fortesa update. Abangan si Barbie sa 24 oras ngayon. Exclusive interview with Nelson Canlas ng GMA Integrated News. Sabi dito, Barbie Fortesa, heart is brimming with gratitude as the career continues to soar to new heights. You know, marami pa itatanong kay Barbie dyan. Ayan, TikTok pa si Barbie. Ang cute ni Barbie, oh. Ito pa, interaction nila Barbie at Charlie Fleming, during guesting sa It's Showtime. Kinanggat ni Barbie si Charlie Fleming. Yan nakabait si Barbie. Co-artist niya. Yan pa, oh. Ulang si Ate Vice. Ito yung rating. Ayun, 4.7 ang rating ng July 7 ang Beauty Empire ni Barbie. Sa panganampod doon, nakikita story ni Barbie. Noodles. So ito, and last night magkasama ang team board. Busy. Ayan sila Barbie at David. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.